Hey guys, Sandra here. Oh my goodness, I've been gone for a little while. I've been busy working um um with my job, so I haven't had time and I've been exhausted and I haven't had time to make a video, but I am back with another one, and as you can see by the title, it is Manifestation 101 Beginner's Guide to Attracting What You Want. So, let's get started. Have you ever wished for something so badly, but it just never seemed to happen? Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, you just can't seem to get what you want? Whether it's more money, a dream job, or even love, things just don't go your way? And what if I told you that you have the power to attract what you want in life? You already have the power to attract more money, the dream job, love, and happiness into your life. What if I told you that you are already shaping your reality every single day, even if you don't realize it? And what if I told you that God has already given you the power to shape your reality through faith and the words you speak? That's the power of manifestation. I remember when I first started learning about manifestation, I was skeptical. But then I started applying a few simple techniques, and things in my life started changing. Now, before I continue, I just want to say that this takes time and effort, and it takes practice. So, to my surprise, little things started shifting. Unexpected money and opportunities, and even moments of pure joy and peace of mind that I didn't see coming. I realized it's actually faith in action. I also started applying biblical principles to my thoughts, and my life started changing even more. Today, I'm sharing exactly how you can start manifesting what you want in life, even if you're a complete beginner, with faith and biblical truth. Stick around until the end because I'll be giving you a 7-day manifestation challenge based on scripture for those of you that love the Bible that can shift your reality. Grab a notebook and let's dive in. So, what exactly is manifestation? Manifestation is the process of bringing something into your reality through your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. Simply put, it's like ordering from the universe's menu. You think it, you believe it, and it happens. But there is a catch. You have to truly align yourself with what you want. It's about aligning yourself with what you desire so that it naturally flows into your life. But here's the thing, manifestation isn't magic. It's based on real principles of energy, mindset, and action. It's not just thinking about a new car and poof, it appears in your driveway. It's about shifting your mindset, energy, and actions to align with the life you want. You are already manifesting every single day, whether you realize it or not. Have you ever woken up in a bad mood and suddenly everything goes wrong? That's manifestation in action. But when you learn to control it, you can intentionally create the life you want. When you read Proverbs 23:7, it says, "For he is the kind of man who is always thinking about the cost. So for, so for as he thinketh in his heart, so is he." A person's true character and actions are revealed by their inner thoughts and beliefs. This means the way you think and believe shapes your life. If you constantly think negativity, if you constantly think negatively, I'm sorry, negativity, you will attract negativity. If you think faith, believing in God's promises, you will see blessings unfold in your life. When you combine all of these, you start seeing results. You are already shaping your life through your words and thoughts. The question is, are you doing it God's way? Now, let's talk about two powerful manifestation laws: the law of attraction and the law of assumption. These are not just New Age ideas, they are actually biblical principles in disguise. You've probably heard of the law of attraction before. It suggests that it says that like attracts like. In other words, the energy you put out is the energy you get back. For example, if you think positively, you attract positive things. If you think negatively, well, you attract more negativity. Another example, if you constantly think, I'm broke, I never have enough money, the universe will reflect that back to you with more financial struggles. But if you shift your energy and say, money flows to me easily, you start attracting more financial abundance. Another example, have you ever noticed when you start worrying about money, unexpected bills pop up? But when you feel abundant, random money seems to come your way. If you keep saying, I never have enough money, you will continue to struggle. But if you say, God is my provider and all my needs are met, Philippians 4:19, you will start to experience abundance. But there's also the law of assumption, which is just as powerful or even more. This law says that what you assume to be true becomes your reality. In Romans 4:17, God calls into existence the things that do not exist. Jesus even said in Mark 11:24, believe that you have received it and it will be yours. This means we must act in faith before we see results. So if you assume you are already successful, the world around you starts shifting to match that belief. If you act as if you have the life you want, your world will shift to match that belief. Another example, if you wake up and say, I'm going to have an amazing day, you start looking for signs of that, and your mind shapes your day accordingly. So whether you focus on attracting something or assuming it's already yours, both methods help you manifest. The key is belief and alignment with what you desire. Both laws work together. You attract what you focus on and what you assume to be true. Both laws align with the Bible. Faith is believing without seeing, and our words shape our world. Here's the thing. Your thoughts are incredibly powerful. Imagine waking up and saying, ugh, today is going to be awful. Chances are everything will feel negative. But if you start your day saying, today something amazing is going to happen, your brain starts looking for proof of that positive belief. Your mind is like a GPS. Whatever destination you put it in, that's where it will take you. So if you keep focusing on what you don't want, that's exactly what you'll get. Your thoughts are more powerful than you think. Science backs this up. Your brain has something called the reticular activating system, RAS, which acts as a filter. Whatever you focus on, your brain starts looking for proof of it. For example, have you ever thought about buying a specific car and suddenly you start seeing that car everywhere? That's your RAS at work. So if you keep telling yourself, I never have good luck, your brain will focus on things going wrong. But if you say good things always happen to me, your brain will start looking for signs of that too. So here's a real life example. I used to always say, I never have enough time. And guess what? My days felt rushed, stressful, and chaotic. But when I started saying I always have enough time to do what matters, I suddenly started managing my time better. My schedule started flowing more smoothly. Coincidence? I don't think so. The key is training your brain to focus on what you want, not what you don't want. Philippians chapter 4 verse 8 says, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, think about such things. Your thoughts literally shape your world. The Bible tells us to focus on what is good because our mind is powerful. For example, if you wake up every day thinking today is going to be stressful, you will find things to be stressed about. But if you say God has given me peace today, which is in John chapter 14 verse 27, you will experience a sense of calm and order. All right, now it's time for you to start manifesting. Let's get to the good part, how you can start manifesting today. Here's a simple daily practice to try that can change your life. I'm going to guide you through a simple 5-minute daily practice that can transform your reality. Now, step 1, write down one thing you want. For example, be specific though. I am attracting a new job that pays me $5,000 a month. Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 2 says, write the vision and make it plain. Step 2, close your eyes and visualize it for 2 minutes. The thing that you want. Feel it as if it's already happening. Hebrews 11 verse 1 says faith is the substance of things hoped for. Step 3, say a positive affirmation. Speak it out loud. For example, I am worthy of all good things coming my way, or money flows to me effortlessly. Job 22:28 says you shall decree a thing and it shall be established. Step 4, let go and trust. Release doubt and trust. Don't stress over how it will happen. Just know it's on its way. Worrying about how. Detach from how it will happen. Just believe it's coming. Stop worrying about how. Proverbs 3:5-6 says trust in the Lord with all your heart. Now try this for 7 days and see what happens. Watch what happens and see how God moves. Now, many people struggle with manifestation because of these common mistakes. Let's fix them. The first common mistake, manifestation mistake, is being too attached to the outcome. If you constantly stress over when or how it would happen, you're blocking it. The solution, let go and trust the process. Number 2, manifestation mistake, negative self-talk. If you keep saying it's not working, guess what? It won't. The solution, speak positivity into your life even before you see results. Replace doubt with faith. The next manifestation blockage or mistake that people make: lack of aligned action. You can't just wish for a new job and not apply for one. The solution is to take small steps toward your goal while believing in your success. The next mistake: doubting God's timing. Ecclesiastes 3:11 says he has made everything beautiful in its time. The solution is to be patient and trust God's perfect timing. Another motivational mistake, manifestation mistake, is speaking negativity. Ephesians 4:29, let no corrupt talk come out of your mouths. The solution: only speak life over your situation. Now, this is the bonus challenge for you to do. I challenge you to try the simple manifestation method for the next 7 days. Write down one thing you want to manifest. 1. Step 2, visualize it for 2 minutes daily, every morning if possible, and thank God daily. Mark chapter 11 verse 24. 3. Say a powerful affirmation daily. Speak faith-filled words over it. Job 22:28. And step 4, completely let go of doubt, trust the process, and surrender to God's plan. Proverbs 3:5-6. And there you have it, guys. If you found this helpful and it has blessed you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more manifestation tips with faith-based teachings. And I want you to come back and comment on this video when you start seeing results. I can't wait to hear your manifestation success stories. Be sure to come back to this video every day for the next 7 days, or however long it takes for your manifestation to come to you, as you practice every day. Thank you, guys. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment below. And remember, you must hustle. Thank you guys for listening and watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.